Hi everybody, my name is Valentin Lashenko. I'm from Toronto and I have an engineering background, as you can see. Um, I'm interested in 3D printing for a while now. I even had a little startup of my own that is influenced by 3D printing. So we would take designs of local artists and enthusiasts and basically tweak them or work with them and find the right materials for their application and then print them. So that is how I got started in 3D printing. Sorry, that's how I'm in 3D printing now. I got started in 3D printing back in, actually it was right before my graduation from university. I was working on a capstone project and I found 3D printing technology to be very helpful. So that's how I kind of dabbled into 3D printing. Yeah, it was quite a bit of a journey. So right now we're actually located in my 3D printing hub, also my basement. So if I turn the camera around a little bit, you'll be able to see my 3D printer just right here. There we go. Yeah, that's a little ducky. And here's some 3D printing parts that I've made. So this is, I'm gonna turn it back to myself. There we go. So this is a Zippo. I need to actually put a pin in here so that it actually stays in place, but anyways, this is supposed to be a Zippo lighter case. The idea was for business cards to be in here, and whenever you need one, you just pull it off. It's kind of the idea here. So I recently actually also became an uncle, and I wanted to 3D print my niece a little toy. So here it is. It's a little Tinkerbell. By the way, these are not my designs. They're available online. Yeah, so as you can see. What else? What else can I show you? I actually have some really cool 3D prints over here. If you give me 1 second. So can you guess what this is? Yeah, so this is actually a lipstick mold. As you can see. It's a 2-piece mold. And actually, the reason why half of it is the inside is blue and the outside is black is because I actually ran out of filament midway through printing it, so I swapped it quickly to finish the print, so that we can still finish the bullet mold. Here's how it looks like. I also have some pretty cool, can you guess what this is? Here, let me open it up so you might be able to actually see. So that's a canister, and this is actually an inhaler that was 3D printed. It was a design inspired for kids. Found it online, I believe. Yeah, and that's kind of how I got into 3D printing. So you can make really, really cool parts and unique parts that way. And here's another inhaler. So again, 3-piece inhaler. So this is the case, this is the inhaler itself, here's the canister. Right, you can actually see it. Not sure how well you'll be able to see it, but anyway, here it is. Sorry if the image quality isn't the best, but this camera is a little bit dated. It's a Logitech desktop camera. Yeah, and here's Ducky. Anyways, I'm really excited to be filming this video, and I hope you enjoy some of the other videos that I film. Thanks so much. Take care. Happy 3D printing.